tried making this recipe once and I've been hooked since the day I made it. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel where I share amazing food recipe that you can make and enjoy with your family. And Gizzard. So we have all the ingredients on our table. So because I knew this was going to take my time, I have prepared some of the things I'm going to be using to make our amazing dish. I have diced my yam and put into the freezer for some days now. Then the plantain too was in the freezer. I put them in the ziploc so that anytime I need it, I'll just take it out and use it right away. Then the gizzard we was also going to be using, I took it out from the freezer. So now I'm going to start with the cooking process. I cut my onions into smaller pieces, then I added into the gizzard. So that's what you see me doing right here. So after dicing the onions, I begin to put in all the spices I'm going to be needing for the gizzard. I went in with my seasoning cube, added some thyme, went in with some salt, some curry powder, oregano, stir everything together and allow to cook in its own juice. Now it's time to cut our vegetables. So here I'll be using red bell pepper, green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. So I decided to cut it into the shapes that I like. You can decide to cut into stripes, you can cut into cubes, however you wish to cut it. But here I'm not making it too big and it's not too small. Went back to check on our gizzard, which he has already cooked. So I added some vegetable oil because I want it to fry. So I just went in with the vegetable oil directly into the pots of the gizzard. That will allow it to fry until it is golden brown. Here I'm satisfied with the frying process, so I decided to take it out of the pot and went on with the next process. In another frying pan, I decided to pour in some oil that we're going to be using to fry our yam. So I went in with the yam that we already have. I added some salt and water so that it will give it some taste. So when the pot was oil, I transferred the yam into the hot oil, give it some time to cook. Because I want the yam to be soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside, I added little water into my hot oil so that it can cook well. So here the yam is completely fried. I'm okay with the level of frying, so I decided to take it out. Next is to fry our plantain. So I started frying the plantain in bits. Plantain tends to be soggy when it takes a lot of time in the freezer. So I decided to fry in bits so that everything will not be mushy and it will come out separately. Though I tried, but some of it were still sticky together. But the goal is just to have a delicious and tasty meal. So I'm not really bothered about how the plantain comes out because I'm not using it to garnish food. I'm just adding it into the food we are preparing. Now that we were done with the plantain and the yam, the next thing is to fry our the same oil that we used in frying the plantain and the yam. I went in with some diced onions, pour in our pepper, and allow that to fry for like 15 minutes. Added some bouillon cubes, ginger powder, curry powder, garlic powder, go in with your already fried gizzard and allow that to cook for extra 5 minutes in the pepper mix. A little salt, our already fried yam and plantain. Mix everything together so that it can soak into the pepper very well. Then the last thing of the day is our vegetables. Add the vegetables and mix everything together. Let this cook for extra 1 or 2 minutes and voila, our food is ready. This tastes so yummy and delicious that I couldn't stop cooking this. After this video, I've made this recipe extra 2 times and I'm telling you, I'm already hooked. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and ensure to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment and I'll see you in my next one. See you and ciao.